Guys, I hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm going to be reviewing this gel polish set. It's a 24-piece set. I was sent for review and I will be unboxing here with you guys. I haven't seen what's inside or anything like that. I've been waiting so I can open it with you guys. This is from the brand Rosalind. Can find at Amazon, and I will leave the link down below if in case you guys are interested. And off the bat, I really like how compact this little box is. It actually has dividers, so the little slots make it easier for you to have everything organized. And this is how the bottles look. Notice a lot of the colors on the outside sticker looked pretty much the same, but they actually were very different. Here you have a top coat, you have a base coat, there's a matte top coat, and a primer. So here you have it, and I think it's a perfect size, especially with all the colors you get. I will be swatching these colors. As you guys can see, it's super pigmented with one coat. So the white looked really white, which I really like. And this gold shimmer color is really beautiful. I can't wait to try this color out. I really like it. These tones, like you can see on the outside, it looks like more of a maroon color, but it ends up being like a fuchsia. And this one looks the same, but this one was the same, but there's a lot of colors that are kind of off from the outside, but all the colors are actually really nice. This silver is also really pretty, and I'm just swatching them in those little containers that I can put the swatches after. I really like the quality. As you guys can see, one coat, it's super pigmented, so you want to make sure you do thin coats so you don't get any lifting. But I had no problem with the curing. I cured for 60 seconds, sorry, in an LED lamp, and it cured perfectly. There was no transfer, no nothing. So I ended up doing 2 coats in all of the swatches, and as you guys can see, that one coat is pretty pigmented. Honestly, I think this set is a pretty good deal. You get a lot of colors, and like I said, I really did like all of the colors. I think there's only like 2 colors I really didn't like lime green, but other than that, they have really nice tones. The pigmentation is awesome. I had no issues with the curing time, and I love that you get an option if you want to do matte and shiny gloss, which the gel top coat is a no wipe, which is also a plus. And I did try the matte top coat, and I honestly is one of the best mattes I've tried, because it gets so matte and it doesn't end up looking all sticky or like all scratchy looking. I was super pleased. Even though they are small bottles, they do have a good amount that will last you a lot of sets of nails, especially because there is so many colors to choose from. And I love how it also has the primer included, so pretty much you have everything you need to do your gel manicure with the primer, top coat, matte. So honestly, this is a really good investment if you're starting out, if you want to build up your collection. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. And yeah, I think the only con I would have to say is the colors were a little off from the bottle. It doesn't really look like the sticker that's on the outside. And also there is no names for each color or numbers. Usually I've bought other ones from Amazon and they at least have like a number I can use as a reference. So I'll write it down, or I'll put the number to swatch on the colors. But I was noticing that with these, a lot of the bottles had the same number, so it was kind of impossible for me to go by that. So that's why I I ended up adding these little swatches so I can just see the color on the outside and know exactly what color I want. So that would be useful if you're buying this kit, to get some little swatches that you will be able to see on the bottle. But I was very pleased with all the colors. They have some great color selections, from really light. There's like a really nice nude pink that would be perfect for like a French manicure, and like pink tones. There's like several really good pinks, like hot pinks. There's some gray tones, so you get a large variety of colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me swatching the colors for you, in case you guys were thinking of buying this kit from Amazon. Once again, the link will be down below. I believe I have a coupon code for you guys. If I do, I will leave it down below, and I will also probably be adding it to the clip, like in the corner or something. I just need to go over and make sure the coupon is still valid. But yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. If you've tried this brand before, this is actually my first time trying this brand, and I've seen it a lot over YouTube, and I was excited when they sent the package over for review, and I was actually very impressed with the quality. Nothing bad to say. Quality was perfect. The pigmentation, like I said, it was awesome. There's everything you need in this kit to get your gel manicure started, especially if you are staying home like most of us are right now and you want to do your nails. Here is something that has everything you need. Like, here are the swatches. They're all really pretty colors. You get a large selection of colors, and this box, you can just store it in there, and they have the little slots. It looks super cute. The packaging, everything, I'm super pleased, guys. So definitely check them out if you have been looking for gel polish or a kit to buy. This would be a perfect gift for someone who's starting off with their nails. I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Here's a little bit closer look in all the swatches, so you guys get a better idea. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use like flash. It was the colors I wanted to make sure they captured the real color, and these seem to really capture the exact colors. So here you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and once again, I will see you on my next one. Bye.